Hey guys, this is Jack from Jack's Garage. Today we'll be installing the lockable glove box handle from a 2013 Dodge Ram 1500. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, first thing we'll do is to get this little bungee cord, little string, and unhook that. And then you squeeze the two sides and it pops right out. Got the glove box inside, and the first step you'll need a Torx 20 screwdriver, and there's 3 screws on the inside that we'll have to remove to get the handle out. And they're pretty easy to get out. Alright, so I bought the kit off of eBay, and it came with instructions, and these instructions just shows you how to remove it. It shows how to get the lock in place and how to slide it in, and there's a little tooth in there that's going to grab into the locks, their cylinder into the space, and then it tells you how to turn it. So you can see on the back side that this piece slides back and forth, and that's what locks it in. So when it's like this, and then when it's like this. So on the back of the lock cylinder it has a little pin that slides into here, and when that thing turns, that's what pushes it in place to lock it. So this piece in particular, when it came in from Dodge, it had this one black pin in it. So you want to keep that one in. So when you slide your key in there, that one really doesn't adjust, but that's what locks it in place when you have it in here. Keeps it from coming out. What it shows on the instruction is that little tooth, that's it. So I tried to put the wafer pins in myself, or they call it the cam lock wafer. So I bought a kit, I tried to do them all myself. It was a waste of money, I'll be honest with you. Paid about $15 for them to do this from the local locksmith. So when you want to install it, you slide in your key. You can see that all the back ones have slid down. So once the key gets in place, that's when it's locked. That's when it won't really move, and then you put your lock in, slides in place. When you pull it out, those pins pop back out to hold it in place. So I'm going to set it in there. So you just kind of spin it until you can get it in. So we'll slide this over. There we go. It slid right in place there, and then you just twist it. There we go, and you can hear it. So now, straight up is unlocked, and then you've got it to the side and it's locked. So I'll put it back in the unlocked position, and then we'll put it back on. So we're just going to put those same 3 screws right in the top, and then install it in the truck. I actually last year around this time I had my truck stolen. And the one thing that really bothered me is they threw the manual away, and they threw the rim key away. They threw every single thing in my truck away. I was able to get the truck back about 3 days later, but it definitely, everything that I wanted was in the glove box, and it was all tossed. Alright, there we go. So we've got it in. Good thing about having a locked glove box is if you want to throw your wallet in there, or you want to throw your phone, you're going to go running, or you're going to go to work, you want to keep your stuff in there, you can secure it with having this lock in place. Really cheap. It was I think about $19 shipped to the house. Paid 15 bucks, so looking about around $40 to get it all said and done. So let's get it in the truck. Alright, to get it back in, it's the exact same way we took it out. You slide these clips in the bottom, grab that little bungee, pull her around, squeeze the sides in, and then clip her in. Alright, looks like that handle's working great. Check the lock out. That looks good. Alright, so that's a pretty easy upgrade. Was pretty cheap, and it looks good, works good. Thank you for watching, and tune in next time.